chemistry. We prepare hydrogen by these methods. First is by the action of water on metals. By the action of water on metals. Here we have three types of reactions. One is very reactive metals. Very reactive metals like sodium, potassium, and calcium. They react with cold water. The reaction is like this: sodium plus water gives NaOH plus H2. Okay, this is twice and twice. So this is a reaction. Similarly, if we have calcium, for example, we have calcium CaOH whole twice plus H2. So this is a reaction. These reactions with very reactive metals is vigorous, and it is exothermic. Vigorous, and a lot of heat is generated, as a result of which hydrogen produced is burnt. So in order to avoid this bursting or burning of hydrogen, what is an amalgam of metal with mercury is used. We use an amalgam of mercury and these metals, so that this explosion cannot take place. So this is very reactive metals. Then we have less reactive metals. Less reactive metals like we have magnesium, we have zinc. They react with water only upon heating. When we heat water and this metal, we get hydrogen like this. This is magnesium plus here. We heat it, we get MgO plus H2. Okay. Similarly, we have zinc plus H2O. Upon heating, it gives ZnO, zinc oxide plus H2. So these are less reactive. Then we have very least reactive metals like we have nickel, we have iron. They react only with steam. When water is in the form of steam, for example, we have a reaction like this. This is water, it is in the form of steam, so we get Fe3O4 plus 4 times H2. So in this case, it reacts only with steam, not with this water. So these are the three ways in which different metals of different reactivities react with metals to produce hydrogen. Then we have second method this is first method by action of water on metals. Then we have second method this is in fact a commercial method by which we get hydrogen. It is by the electrolysis of water. Electrolysis of water, what we do, we take water and place two electrodes. These are platinum electrodes, and water is taken. It is a little of acid or base is added to make it conducting. Acid or base is added, and this is connected to the positive and negative terminals of this battery. What we had reaction is like this: H2O gives H positive plus OH negative. Hydrogen is liberated at cathode. Cathode पर hydrogen liberate होता है at cathode. What happens? H positive plus electron gives H. H plus H gives H2. Similarly, at anode we get oxygen. We have 4 times OH negative plus 4 electrons give 4 times OH. 4 times OH gives twice H2O plus O2. Okay, so at anode we get oxygen, at cathode this is also method of getting oxygen also. So this is second method by electrolysis of water. Then we have third method, metals. By the action of alkalis on metals. Alkalis, we have sodium hydroxide, we have potassium hydroxide. For example, the this is beryllium plus NaOH, sodium hydroxide is an alkali, and this is to be heated. We get Na2BeO2 plus H2. This is called sodium berylate, Berylate. Sodium berylate. Here this will be 4 times, is it? NaOH. Okay. So this is sodium berylate. Similarly, we have aluminum NaAlO2, sodium meta-aluminate, plus 3 times hydrogen. Okay, so this is by the action of alkalis on metals. This is another method of preparation of hydrogen. Then we have another by the action of metals on acids. By the action of metals on acids. Metals like magnesium, we have zinc, we have magnesium, we have iron, which are above in the electrochemical series. You know, we have hydrogen, the electrochemical in electrochemical series, it is reduction fraction 0. Those which are above this, they displace hydrogen from this from its different acids to liberate hydrogen. For example, we have when we add zinc, zinc is above this in above hydrogen in this series. You like this, we get zinc sulfate plus H2. Similarly, we have another magnesium is there. It was MgSO4 plus H2. So those metals which are above here, whose this reduction potential is more than hydrogen, they displace it from its compounds, from acids, to form various compounds and liberate hydrogen. Okay, then we will go to properties in next video. Okay.